Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In today's video, we are going to see how can you prepare onion oil at home for hair growth and prevent hair fall. This oil nourishes the hair follicles and makes your hair strong. Not only that, it adds a nice shine to your hair. So let's see how we can prepare this oil. But before going into detail, hi, this is Shampa from Good Life with Shampa. If you are watching this video on YouTube and new to this channel, then hit the subscribe button and bell icon to get many more videos like this. Now let's see how we can prepare this onion oil easily at home.
I have taken here all the ingredients to make this onion oil. The first one is onion paste. I made this paste by grinding 2 to 3 medium-sized onions. And then I have onion juice. I extracted this juice from the paste of 2 to 3 onions. And finally I have coconut oil here. Now I am going to cook all of these ingredients for at least 12 to 13 minutes. The oil seems ready. Now keep it aside and let it cool down. Now using a strainer, I am going to extract this oil. Now, using a clean cloth, I am extracting this oil again. Finally, the oil is ready. Now I will keep this oil in a clean container.
So this is the proper way you can make this onion oil at home, and it is so easy. So you should definitely give it a try to prevent your hair fall. At the same time, if you want to grow your hair, then give it a try. You can preserve this oil for 4 days. Apply this oil on your scalp and on your hair every night before going to sleep. Leave it overnight and in the morning shampoo your hair. Soon you will notice the difference. So if you have the problems of hair growth and hair fall, then definitely give it a try and let me know what is the result. Write your feedback in the comment sections down below. And for now, if you like this video, do like, share and comment. That's all for this video. See you in my next video. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.